Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop, BRS, on Sunday. This would be August the 28th. And we went out yesterday a few miles, about 75, 80 miles, and got on the old marketplace and I found me a bandsaw. I've been looking for a horizontal, vertical bandsaw to go along with the Delta 14-inch back here in the back. But, you know, some are good deals, some are bad, but I think I run into a spectacular deal yesterday. And I'm going to show you the guys this. It's going to need total restore. Another project, love projects, but it will be one that will be fun to put on as we restore it. Similar to Steve Summers over there, that Harbor Freight one that he put the coolant on. I'm going to put a coolant tank on this one as well. Going to put the casters on it. I'm only going to put the casters on the front, fixed like a wheelbarrow, and then you know, I'll put the rubber feet on the back. I won't be moving this around a whole lot, and of course I want it rigid. And I think I'll make those wheels even adjustable to come up, and that way it'll sit flat on the floor and take out any vibration. But let's turn this camera around and show you what I picked up for less than 2 hamburgers and an order of French fries down south of here. And you're going to say, well, Bear, you got your hands cut out for you, or your work cut out. We got a Dayton, and the model is a 3Z812, and serial number, I don't know, maybe this is, I'm trying to figure it out on Wikipedia, DL. That's all of it. And good old cast iron. Gonna have some fun doing some machine work. And this worm gear, the bushing here. Now the gear's looking real good shape, but when we get all this cleaned out, I have to make a new bushing. You can see her wiggling there, well, backlash. And get that fixed. Lots of rust removal. And got a good spring on it. I'm doing this with the one hand on the camera. Okay. Gonna need some real TLC. And like I say, the original Dayton motor. Don't know if it's original. I'm gonna have to assume it's original. But we wasn't there gonna have him fired up yesterday. He said it did run. And $25. Like I say, you can't even get a meal anymore at a drive-through hamburger joint for $25 for 2 people. So we felt real good. Let's walk around the back side here a minute. And, you know, we're going to take this thing out and put it in our clean strip. The springs, all the brackets, be pulling out the pulleys, bearings. I have not even tried to turn this yet. All the rollers are, of course, froze up. Going to give me some practice on the lathe. I'm going to make some rollers. Could probably order them, but, you know, being retired, it's fun to make your own. And let's see if we can't go over here. Give me a slew of old rusty blades. All these will go in acid. And the dadgummit, they're sharp because we put this little beauty in the back of the wife's '06 Cadillac, and it was snug. Deck lid up. She rode home good. And y'all come back. We'll just do this on shop-made tools. I don't know. Maybe we'll make a different series. But love restoring old vintage tools and things. Again, like I say, that getting a few good, nice comments about this old J.D. Wallace radial arm saw / English wheel drill tree. And Randy, I appreciate your comments over at Randy Richards. And I hope you watch the video of it going up and down, and then that this whole head will come, you take it off, sweep it over, and it'll be down here on almost 12 inches off the floor to the spindle. There's one more good look at it. Now this gray, after watching Randy rebuild that table saw. Let's turn this camera around and sit down a minute. That table saw, I like the blue. Let's give him a thumbs up. That blue looks good, Randy. And I think everybody agreed. Harold and all them over there on the last discussion on California there, I'm glad they brought that up, that you like to get away from the gray. I have to agree. I'm not a Navy man, not a soldier or anything, but you know, battleship gray, if you've been on a lot of ships, it can get pretty boring. All right, that's a short video for Sunday the 28th of August. Got a big old thunderstorm rolling in. I guess Louisiana's getting pounded a little bit with that hurricane, and they don't really need any more rain. They've had plenty. So, and also up the East Coast, that Hurricane Fred really pounded them with a lot of rain. So please thumbs up, please subscribe, come back and check this build out. We don't know what color, maybe John Deere green, just like the Pexto. Give me some comments on the Pexto green. I guess I could uncover this thing. Sure wish somebody would buy this thing, because it is right in my way, and I've got a Eastwood bead roller, but this is a hoss. So anybody watching our videos, look for my email address on there if you got any interest in this. And yes, we could power this and put it on a stand. This is actually the stand that belongs with that Pexto, but it just happened to work out great for my grinder here. And those are just simple 12-inch purlins, but that is a true Pexto table that went with the rotor. So please share, please comment, come back and watch the old Dayton get re-glorified and put back in use. Talk to you later. We're out of here.